Welcome back to the Evergreen Digital WhatsApp API tutorial. Today we will show you how to use the Mini App function in the WhatsApp API. Let's start by clicking on WhatsApp Mini Apps and selecting the Mini Apps. The Mini App function is mainly used for data collection. To create a new flow, click on the top right-hand side, enter the flow name, and choose a category. The available categories include Sign Up, Sign In, Appointment Booking, Lead Generation, Contact Us, and Customer Support. For this tutorial, we will use the Sign Up category. Select your WhatsApp channel and choose your own WhatsApp channel. Then create the flow. Now we are on the first screen. Let's go through each button and what it does. On the left-hand side, there is the flow menu. Here we can rename the Mini App project. We can also change the category. The next button is Screens. We can rename the screen by pressing the gear icon. This is the first screen. We can also use this option to zoom in or out to make the screen bigger or smaller. Now let's show how to add components to a screen. Press the third icon here or simply press the Components button. There are content components such as heading, subheading, body, and an option to upload an image. There are also form input components, which include fields for number, email, phone number, and a footer. Let's add a heading. To edit it, just press the gear icon and enter your content. Once the content is entered, it will be added successfully. We can also upload an image. Simply press Image and the Upload option will appear. To change the image, press the gear icon and upload the image directly from your files. Next, we can add an input field and type in Enter your name. We can also edit the helper text for that field. Fields for phone and email can be added the same way. That's how easy it is to set up the first screen. We can also add a footer if needed. Just click the gear icon to edit it. If we only want one page for the form, we can simply click Submit. But if we want multiple pages, we can use Data Exchange. Data Exchange allows us to pass data from one screen to another. If there is no data to exchange, we can just press Go To. For this tutorial, we will show how to exchange data. Let's choose Data Exchange. Now let's create a second screen. We go back to the previous screen, add a new screen, and rename it accordingly. This second screen is where the person filling in the form will confirm their details. We will add a heading. Please check your details. Next, we add the body and display the name by mapping it from the first screen. For the phone number, we map the phone number. For the email, we map the email. Now that's done. We can also add a footer, press the gear icon and set it to Submit. We can label it Submit. Now let's go back to the first screen. For the footer, click the gear icon again. For the data exchange, we can choose to navigate to Next Screen. That's how simple it is to build the Mini App. Now press Save and Apply. If we only press Save, it will save the workflow but not publish it to Meta. If we press Save and Apply, it will save and publish it to Meta. The data collector is now set up successfully. Let's also note that the flow is not published yet at this point. We can send a test message to ourselves to check that everything works correctly. Once everything looks good, just press Publish and the flow will be published successfully.